Watch the TUI 38. Detail world, what it do, YouTube, what it do. Hope you're having a glorious day so far. Right now, we done made it to this first appointment. We about to do this Range Rover SVR, which stand for Special Vehicle Recovery, something crazy like that, I don't know. But if you see the car, every time I do this car, it's very dirty. If you look at the wheels, man, got very heavy brake dust even in the inside of the wheels. You look at the rear wheels, pretty dirty inside the rear wheels. You know what I mean? Even the dirt and grime on the side of the car. So we about to get in here first. We're gonna work on the interior. Even if you see the brakes even pretty dirty. So you know what I mean? We're gonna, you see my finger dirty now. But we're gonna go in here, get this interior done. I love though on the exterior of the car, I got this carbon fiber right here. Got the carbon fiber right here. And they got carbon fiber in a few other areas in the car. But if you see the interior of the car, it's definitely dirty in here. Got your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs, little dust. This green stuff that you see, that come from tennis balls. They play a lot of tennis. But you see it got hair, just snacks, marks and stuff on the doors, even the seats. You see the seats need to be cleaned thoroughly. Good vacuuming, good wipe down. Entertainment system pretty dusty. Even right here at the gear shift and everything right there, you see how dirty it got, spillage and stuff right there, little spillage marks right there. So we're gonna get in here, make sure we wipe down the seats, wipe down all the leather and the plastic in the car, because you see how it got drips and stuff like that. So we're gonna get in there and get that. Even with the door jams, you look at the door jams, look how dirty these door jams is, even on the plastic on the car. It's just dirty, just overall the wheels are dirty, just overall car dirty. So we're gonna get in here, you see vacuum it real good, get in here, move the seats and move them around. Like I say, these seats, you know, you can get in here, even in the back, you see it's dirty in the back. So we're gonna make sure we get in here, do our job sufficiently and efficiently. Like I say, you see what it say, Special Vehicle Operations. Take this out, because you see this dirty. So yeah, so we're gonna get in here and clean all this. See, you got dirt. So it's really dirty. Exterior of the car dirty, interior of the car dirty. We already got the generator, pressure washer things out like that. We already taking the mats out the car. If you see the mats are real dirty, things like that. So we gonna go ahead and do our job. And then, you know, Range Rover is made by Land Rover. So you had a great weekend, chill with the family, got some things done around the house. But you know, kids' spring break is over. They're back to school. You see, we taking the mats out. Mats are really dirty, hellaciously dirty. That's the word of the day, hellacious. But go continue doing what we need to do, man. I hope you do what you got to do. Well, I'm gonna do what I got to do, so you can do what you got to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Come on now. Today, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, or share this video with somebody. Maybe somebody needs to know what it is or what it is. See, like keeping your car clean, keep the value of the car up. You know, even put wax and things of that nature. But when I try to get a lot of people to wax their cars, a lot of these people lease their cars. A lot of people really don't care. Hey, some of these people are like, oh, it's just like the blender or the toaster. I just use it to use it. But it's too much of a nice car to be saying something like that. This is over $100,000 truck. You know what I mean? Probably $120,000 being the SVR edition. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it going, get it cracking, get this day started. Supposed to rain a little bit later on today and tomorrow, so you see it's a little cloudy today. You're watching It Is What It Is on YouTube, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the weather look like real quick. So right now the high is 71. You see what it says, it's rain Monday. Got rain Tuesday. You see it's supposed to start raining later today. So we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. I hope y'all can see that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking before this rain do come. Another lady I got at 12 o'clock, but I'm trying to let her know, like, it might rain, do you want to reschedule? So if you don't want to reschedule, I'll go over there, still knock the car out. Y'all know me, man. Consistency beats everything, man. So stay consistent, persistent, and relentless. And on the next one, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, YouTube, what it do, what it do, what it do. Y'all remember what the car looked like? It definitely was dirty. Wheels was brown looking. Car definitely had like a grayish looking hue, very hazy looking, but we got the car looking amazing like always, man. We take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. You remember it had debris all in the cracks and crevices, things like that. The seats also had debris all on the seats, things like that. It was dirt all on the back here. Remember the doors was pretty dirty. So, you know, like I said, we definitely got everything knocked out. You remember what I mean? How you know, car was dirty. But we got the car looking immaculate. Like you see, it say SVR right there. Range Rover. You see the console entertainment system all knocked out and clean. So like I said, it's about to rain today. So my next appointment still haven't answered me if she wanted me to come or not. So I'm gonna hit her up one more time for the call if she want me to come. But if not, I'm headed home. And we'll get back out here Wednesday because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, thunderstorm. But like always, man, remember, love thyself, man. You can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. Remember that. That is very key to being a better person in life. And remember, man, it's a lot of turmoil going on in this world, so you always gonna need a little bit of peace.
YouTube, watch TY38.